This is a game where one wrong answer means death, but as long as they correctly guess the number rolled by the female referee, the contestants will survive instead of being crushed into pulp by the iron ball. After rolling the die 3 times in a row, the referee makes the 4th roll the final answer, but no one knows what that answer is. Now each contestant must enter the iron cage matching the number they guessed. Everyone immediately starts calculating the odds, because on the referee's first 3 rolls, the result was 1 every single time. So most of the contestants rush straight into cage number 1, but after thinking it over again and again, one man suddenly realizes something. The number in the referee's hand does not match the image on the screen. He quickly thinks back. On the referee's 3rd roll, the real die was facing one way, but the screen showed it facing the opposite way. That means the footage showing 3 straight ones was fake. In reality, all 6 cages have had the exact same chance of being hit from the start. The moment he confirms it, everyone looks up at the iron ball swaying above them and bolts out of cage number 1 in terror. In the end, only one boy remains sitting inside without moving.
出ないんですか？
出ない。
The boy firmly believes he chose the right spot. The curly-haired man beside him happens to hear this. It takes him only 3 seconds to figure out the game's true logic. Just like the boy, he then tells his partner the truth, but neither of them wants too many people to learn the rule. So they find the bowl cut guy and lead him to cage number 3, planning to use him as a scapegoat and draw everyone's attention. But the man warns the bowl cut guy not to trust them. They are obviously playing him.
騙されてるんです、チカラさんは。
But the bowl cut guy is determined to stay. Just then, someone steps forward and shouts that the correct answer must be 5. He says he saw a video online claiming that 5 is the easiest number to roll. Without a second thought, everyone floods into cage number 5. But the older man at the back is half a step too slow and gets shoved out of the cage. With nowhere else to go, he walks toward cage number 4. Meanwhile, the man calculates that cage number 5 really does have the highest chance of survival, because 5 has more pips carved into its face, while the 2 on the opposite side creates a clear shift in the die's center of gravity. Based on weight alone, 5 is clearly the most likely result. Only then does the bowl cut guy realize he really has been tricked. But the man insists this game was never about probability in the first place. By now, the bowl cut guy is on the verge of breaking down. He only wants to know which answer has the highest probability. There are only 15 seconds left. The man cannot stand by and watch the bowl cut guy die, so he jumps straight into cage number 3 and tells him to curl up tightly in the corner. The countdown quickly hits 0. The referee lifts the cover, and the result is 4. Only the older man is completely safe. The iron balls above every other cage come crashing down. But to everyone's shock, the people curled up in the corners are still alive. And this is the game's real rule. Even with the wrong number, they can still escape death. Because when the iron ball falls, each corner has just enough space for at least 2 people. They can survive without guessing the correct number. But the people in cage number 5 are not so lucky. Dozens of them are crushed into a pile of flesh. In the end, only a few people remain alive inside the cages, and they successfully advance to the next round.